Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a new and unique method to remove all your facial hair easily at home. This is a natural method to remove all your facial hair without any pain, and it will also help in reducing your facial hair growth. And if you will use this method continuously for few days, then it will permanently remove all your facial hair. So to prepare this hair removal mask, you firstly have to take 2 teaspoons wheat flour in a clean bowl. After that you have to add a pinch of turmeric powder in it. And then you have to mix both these powder ingredients really well so that they combine with each other nicely. After mixing both these ingredients, you have to squeeze half lemon in it. And lastly, you have to add enough raw milk to make a smooth paste, but don't add much raw milk because you want a thick consistency of this mask. And after adding raw milk, you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth, thick and lump-free paste. And once everything is properly mixed, your homemade hair removal mask is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this mask should be as thick as I'm showing you here. So now the procedure to use this hair removal mask is that you firstly have to apply a thick and even layer of this mask all over your face or wherever you have facial hair. And then you have to leave it for good 20 to 25 minutes or until it dries completely. And once it dried completely, you just have to rub it nicely to remove this mask. You just have to rub until it falls off from your skin automatically. And once it's done, you just have to wash your skin with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. And if you want to permanently remove your facial hair, then you have to use this mask twice or thrice a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.